Hi again and welcome to the next video of the last section, an overview of finite state machine. In the previous video we have learned about enemy eye, range of sight. In this video we'll create the AI for an NPC object. In addition to the line of sight code that we already have, we need to use finite state machines, FSMs. An FSM is not a thing or feature of Unity, nor is it a tangible aspect of the C# language. Rather, an FSM is a concept, framework or idea that we can apply in code to achieve specific AI behaviors. It comes from a specific way of thinking about intelligent characters. Specifically, we can summarize the NPC for our level as existing within one of three possible states at any one time. These are patrol, when the enemy is wandering around, chase, when the enemy is running after the player, and attack, when the enemy has reached the player and is attacking. Each of these modes is a state and requires a unique and specific behavior, and the enemy can be in only one of these three states at any one time. The enemy cannot, for example, be patrolling and chasing simultaneously, or patrolling and attacking, because this wouldn't make sense within the logic of the world and game. In addition to the states themselves, there is a rule set or group of connections between the states that determines when one state should change or move into another. For example, an NPC should only move from patrolling to chasing if they see the player and they are not already attacking. Similarly, the NPC should only move from attacking to patrolling if they cannot see the player and they are already not patrolling or chasing. Thus, the combination of the states and rules governing their connections form a finite state machine. Consequently, any implementation in code that represents this behavior functionally is an FSM. There is no right or wrong way to code an FSM per se. There are simply different ways, some of which are better or worse for particular ends. In this section, we'll code the FSM using coroutines. Let's start by creating the main structure. Refer to the following code in the file ai_enemy.cs. More information on coroutines can be found at the online Unity documentation at this site. The AI enemy class created so far does not represent the full and complete FSM, but just the skeleton for its beginning. It illustrates the general structure. It features a single coroutine for each state. The current state variable defines a property that selects the active state, determining all existing coroutines and initiating the relevant one. Each state coroutine will run on a frame-safe infinite loop for as long as the state is active, allowing the enemy object to update its behavior, as we'll see shortly. Before proceeding, make sure that the AI enemy script is attached to the NPC object. Awesome! We've successfully learned about finite state machines. In the next video, we'll learn about the patrol state.